pleasure. I think maybe I talked to this class 20 years ago or something. It was quite a while ago. But anyway, I was married in this church, and you all know my father was a minister here. So it's wonderful to be back in South Carolina. I live in Kentucky. I live in Louisville. And I've done this program at my church in Louisville. The older I get, the more I think about my childhood. And I often think about the songs that we sang in Sunday school and the songs that we sang at all the different services we used to have. Because we used to have not only Sunday morning, but we had Wednesday night prayer meeting and we had Sunday evening. And the songs that we sang at each of those services were a little bit different. And a lot of those songs we don't even sing anymore. But nevertheless, I remember some of them. And I just remember Noni wanted me to tell you all just a teeny bit about myself. I went to the University of Louisville. That's what got me to Kentucky. I went to study with a concert pianist there who had been my teacher at Brevard Music Center. So, married a Kentucky boy, but I got my bachelor's and master's in piano performance, and then I got a PhD in musicology, and then I got another master's in social work. So while I was at the University of Louisville, after I got my PhD, I was doing research on the healing power of music at the medical school. And that's what sort of opened up my mind and spirit and everything to the awareness of the power of music. And especially as we get older, the power of musical memories and how they affect us. So anyway, that's enough, Noni.